Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Danya Zahasra binti Karuzasri with matric number 30DLS22F2039. I am currently attached to the import department at Swift Logistics TAC Jemberhad for my internship. Under the guidance of Puan Erlia binti Nasir, I will be presenting on the subject DPL50204 Operation Management in Logistics. In this presentation, I will provide an overview of strategic planning in operations management. I will discuss the various components involved in managing operations in the import department at Swift Logistics and examine important processes such as order and capacity planning, order verification management, customer service flow, and operations planning flow that contribute to smooth and efficient logistics operations. To begin with, let me explain the role of import department in Swift Logistics. The import department at Swift Logistics handles the coordination, tracking, and management of inbound shipments from international suppliers to Malaysia. This means they oversee making sure all goods coming from other countries are properly arranged and monitored until they arrive in Malaysia. It ensures smooth custom clearance, proper documentation, and on-time delivery to clients. This involves preparing all the necessary papers and getting approval from customs so the shipment can be delivered to customers without delay. This department plays a crucial role in ensuring customers' satisfaction and operational efficiency within the logistics process. By managing the shipments well, they help the company meet customer expectations and keep the business operation running smoothly and efficiently. Next, I would like to explain the coordinational structure at Swift Logistics. The company is guided by an advisor, Lim Bee Hong, who provides expert advice and support. The general manager is Chang Pei Chu, who is responsible for overseeing the company's operations and making important decisions. Under the general manager is the operational manager, Ahmad Salihan, who supervises and manages the daily logistics and import activities. The financial controller, Ling Wei Kei, handles the financial matters of the company, such as budgeting and reporting. Swift Logistics has 4 primary departments with hierarchical reporting, which means each department follows a clear reporting line to higher management. The company also practices a cross-functional model that promotes teamwork and collaboration between departments. Additionally, lean management is applied to increase efficiency by reducing waste and improving productivity. This well-structured system ensures that daily operations run smoothly and effectively. During my internship in the import department at Swift Logistics, I learned how project management elements help manage the import process efficiently. The critical path is the longest sequence of important tasks such as shipment booking, custom clearance, and final delivery, like booking a shipment today, clearing customs in 3 days, and delivering in 5 days. Critical activities are key tasks like document submission and transport arrangement that directly affect the shipment's completion time, such as submitting custom document on time to avoid delays. The earliest event is the soonest we can start the task, like preparing clearance document once a shipment details are confirmed. The latest event time is the latest possible time to start the task without causing delays, such as completing custom clearance before the ship arrives at port. Slack activities are those with extra time, like updating records after delivery, which won't affect the scheduling of done later. Finally, the project complement time is the total time taken that complete the entire import process, usually within 15 days from booking to delivery. Now, let's move on to order and capacity planning. The process begins with identifying the earliest event time, which marks the start of production. Next, during the production stage, a cycle time analysis is conducted to measure how long each step in the process takes. After production, we move to the delivery stage, where we determine the latest event time, which is the final delivery to the customer. Finally, the completion state measures the total time taken for the entire process, which is 15 days. To manage this effectively, critical path analysis is used to identify key bottlenecks that might delay the process. Through this, we can determine the earliest and latest event time for each activity to ensure everything stays on schedule. The target for project completion is set at 15 days, making sure the whole process runs smoothly and efficiently. Furthermore, order verification management starts by mapping critical activities to clearly identify the most important tasks that need to be complete during the verification process. Then, we focus on the workflow, where the verification process is streamlined to make it faster and more organized. To maintain high standards, quality control is implemented by adding checkpoints at every important stage. This ensures that every order is verified properly before moving to the next step. Additionally, slack time analysis is done to optimize each stage, avoiding delays and making sure everything flows smoothly. With this system, the company guarantees a 24-hour turnaround for order verification, ensuring efficiency and customer satisfaction. Moreover, customer service flow begins with feedback, where we integrate customer feedback into the service process to improve quality and satisfaction. After that, if any issue arises, we follow the escalation process by applying the correct protocol to handle complaints or problems efficiently. Then, we move to the resolution stage, where every issue is carefully tracked to make sure it is resolved properly and on time. The company provides end-to-end service, make sure customers are supported at every step. Our system optimizes customer touchpoints, ensuring positive and consistent interactions. We also track resolution times to measure performance and service quality. Lastly, a clear escalation protocol is in place to handle critical situations quickly and professionally. In addition, operational planning flow begins with the design stage, where workflows are created to organize and manage the entire operations efficiently. Next, we move to the allocation stage, where resources such as manpower, equipment, and time are properly assigned to each task. After that, the metric stage focuses on tracking key performance indicators to monitor the progress and result of the operations. A strategic workflow design enhances overall operations by making processes clear and effective. At the same time, having a clear resource allocation strategy ensures that everything needed for the operations is available and used efficiently. Metric tracking support continuous improvement by identifying areas that need to be improved. Lastly, proactive risk mitigation is essential to prevent problems and ensure smooth operations. Lastly, here are the strategic recommendations for improving operations. First, we focus on efficiency by improving existing processes to reduce delays and increase productivity. Next, we recommend the integration of technology solutions to modernize operations and enhance accuracy. Then, we move to performance. where strategies should be optimized to achieve better results and meet customer expectations. Overall, we propose efficiency improvements, technology integration opportunities, and optimized performance strategies. This action support of 12 months goals will require careful strategic investment to improve the company's operations and competitiveness in the logistics industry. Thank you so much for listening. If there are any questions or if you like additional information, please don't hesitate to ask. If you are also welcome to reach out to me anytime for further details. I truly appreciate your time and attention during this presentation.